Hi, I'm Nicola from the Grace Retreat, and I'm going to show you and talk to you today about the Skin Smoothing Cream from Dermalogica, one of the top sellers. Really nice medium moisturiser, as you can see. It's not really light, it's not really heavy, it sits really nicely in the middle, it's really hydrating. So this is a really good product for all skin types, but mainly kind of dehydrated skin types. Don't forget neck, chest area and shoulders. So the skin smoothing cream does not have an SPF in it. So if you're using this as a day cream, which some of you may, then you need to make sure that you're adding an SPF over the top or into it, or your makeup's got an SPF in it, or you can apply the Dermalogica Skin Perfect Primer that's got a factor 30 in it. But you need to make sure you're wearing an SPF every day. If you're using this as a night cream, perfect. Don't need an SPF, so it's wonderful just to use the skin smoothing cream. So this leaves you nicely hydrated. If you're looking for something a bit lighter, active moist, if you're a bit more oily or you suffer with spots, you can go for the active moist. If you're more dehydrated, slightly aging skin or normal skin, then this one's a really nice one, your skin smoothing cream. So you've cleansed, you've toned, you've serumed, you'd moisturise, and then you'd apply your SPF and makeup. Thanks for watching. There'll be more information about the skin smoothing cream below. Thanks, bye.